Bit cloudy today.
Bit of rain on today. Old Vic's getting lathered. Well, Lisa's just gone to set up the payment for the fuel, and we're going to stick some in and see how many. We've absolutely lost all track of how many tanks we've had and everything else. We've just lost it. But what we do know is we are getting over 600 miles to a tank, which is incredible really, and probably nearer 700, mainly probably because the limits are down to, speed limits are only sort of 55 mile an hour at max, and most of the time you're doing a lot less than that, which is quite long going, but really enjoyable nonetheless. Even in this weather, I like the rain, kind of suits the landscape around here. So let's see how Lisa's doing with the thing, and we'll get some fuel. We've also got cheap fuel this time, which is unheard of for us. 19 krona a litre. These are the bits that don't make you walk. Squeezing them last little bits in could be the difference between walking the last half a mile to a petrol station. So she's full, she's brimmed. And we've scored a massive 66.74 litres at 1280. There you go. Right. More magic stuff, and then hit the road again. Quick pee. Well, here we are, sat waiting for another ferry. We're wending our way back down now. It's peeing it down with rain, which doesn't matter, it kind of suits the scenery, but we're wending our way back down now to Kristiansand, where we shall be getting a ferry from there to Denmark, treading our way back home. That ferry looks to save us a massive amount of driving, so you've got to do it, and it works out about 130 quid I think, somewhere around about there, so that's not bad at all. So we're just enjoying this scenery while we go through. I did look at the national park we're going through, and I forget the name of it. The Fogelfonna or Folsfonna National Park, over a big mountain in a minute, which we probably won't be able to see out because it's very cloudy, but we'll see once we've been on the ferry again. Yeah.
That's cold.
Yeah. So I think we're about 2 hours from Kristiansand now. This beautiful, beautiful place. And this is home for the evening. Get our junk out the back. See if we can get fed, get a beer. Little waterfall up there as well, look. Stunning. Is it going to be the end one?
Yeah.
Ta-da! Ooh. Looks nice. Nice and big. Not sure what that means, but maybe it means your room's nice and big. Take a look in the bathroom. Yeah. You've got room to swing a cat in there, Liz.
Brilliant.
If you had a cat, anyway. But there you go.
Mountain. And lots of trees. Reindeer fur hanging over someone's balcony, like just you do.
Yep.
We need to get one of them.
Yeah.